Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy family card options with Sam's Club Mastercard, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy family card options with your Sam's Club Mastercard, start by logging into your Sam's Club account on their website. Navigate to the Account Services section once you're logged in. Look for the Manage Cards option to begin the process. Select Add a family card from the available options. You will need to provide the necessary information for the additional cardholder. Enter the full name, address, and date of birth for the family member. Select their relationship to you from the drop-down menu. Once all the details have been entered, review the information for accuracy. Click on the Submit button to send your request for the family card. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen. Expect an email confirming your family card application has been processed. The family card will typically arrive within a few weeks by mail. Once you receive the card, it can be activated online or by calling customer service. Instruct the family member to activate the card using the provided information. They can then start using their family card for purchases, enjoying the same benefits as the primary cardholder. Make sure to monitor the account regularly to manage spending and payments effectively. Encourage family members to understand the terms and conditions associated with their card. This will help ensure responsible usage and maximize the benefits available to them. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.